Hi, this is Neil Cole from Conversion Uplift. Today we're going to talk about BigQuery and how to connect it to GA4. So we've got our GA4 property here. So first of all, you will need to create a Google Cloud Platform account, which we've done, and enable billing. So that means adding a credit or debit card to your account so that you can connect it to GA4. You will be charged, and often you will be offered a 3 months subscription and some data as well for a month. So certainly, set it up, and then Google will obviously inform you at some point if you need to be charged any money. So we're going to start from the BigQuery account. So we've assumed that we've enabled billing. So what we're going to do first is we're going to select a project here, and we're going to create a new project. Okay, so here we go. Right, this is Conversion Uplift. That's great. So I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Conversion Uplift GA4. So this is once you've set this, I don't think you can change it. So GA4. That's great. Conversion Uplift GA4. And we're going to create that. So we should be able to see the project ID now. It's just creating it. So it's created that. So that's the project. This is it. Brilliant. Okay, so that's our first project, Conversion Uplift GA4. And we can add people to this project. Just type in their email addresses and you can add people. Okay, so we're not going to add anyone at this point in time, but we've got our project ID, which is Conversion Uplift GA4. So what we're now going to do is go to GA4. And so what we do here is go to admin area. And we go down to BigQuery links. Okay, so myself, you probably haven't got a BigQuery link yet. So we're gonna, in the process, we're gonna link BigQuery. So click on link, and I'm gonna choose a BigQuery project. Now, obviously, we've got our ID, and we found it. Actually, this is it. This is the Conversion Uplift GA4. So we're gonna confirm that. Let's confirm. And we're going to put data location. Now, this is obviously where your data is going to be stored. So for UK, prefer European. So we're going to put maybe European EU, I think, given that I'm a big fan of the European Union. I'll go for that. And then it's next. Okay, so data streams here. So we've got 0 to 1 million daily limits. That's fine. Frequency daily. Do you want streaming? That's something you can consider. That will cost you more in the long run. So if you haven't got a mobile app, so you don't need to worry about that. And we're going to go for daily next. Great. And then you can submit. And the link has been created. Okay, we make sure we're in BigQuery in our project. So we've got Conversion Uplift GA4 selected. And so what we need to do now is go to the API. So we just click on the menu and go to API services and enabled API services. So we need to make sure we've still got correct project selected, and then we click on enable APIs and services. Okay, here. And we want to look down for BigQuery. That's what we want. And here we go. So just select that. And it's now been enabled. Now we click on manage. Okay, cool. And now we need to do credentials. which API using BigQuery, that's correct. We've got application data. Are you planning to use this API with compare, Compute Engine? Not at the moment, so we'll click no. Okay, so we're going to click done. Okay, we can now go to Google Analytics 4. Let's just bring this up. Click into the project. We can add streaming. So this will make the data practically real time. We'll save that. But it still can take up to 24 hours for data to start coming through to BigQuery. So we'll return later once we've got some data. Okay, I checked the data 24 hours later and it was starting to come through. So if we go to the BigQuery from the menu of Google Cloud, BigQuery is there. See what we've got here. So we click on the conversion uplift GA4 arrow there, so opens it up and we see the analytics data is now here. It is now 2 days since I connected BigQuery, so we actually see that we've got events here, which is the event data, which has got 2, which means 2 days of data. And you can see the schema here. So we've got event data, got event parameters, which has a key and a value, each parameter. We've got device. So you can see a device category, mobile brand name, so forth. So we've got all the data here, which is great. And then here, the intraday, this is the streaming data. So this has the same schema, essentially. It just happens to be almost real-time data, essentially, which has the same schema. So you've got parameters, each has a key and a value. So that's really good. It's all, the data is there, and we can next start to integrate it.